everybody, this is Sven and today is Motivation Day because I got this little package this morning from my postman and I already know what is inside, but I just wanted to tell you before that you sometimes need to reward yourself. Because sometimes you need a little motivation and you have to buy little gadgets to keep on going. And I uploaded my first video a couple days ago and I started doubting. Do people like me? Is it good enough? Should I really start a new YouTube channel? And then I said, okay, well, I do this, I start this, but I need a little motivation and that's why I ordered this gadget. So if you want to motivate yourself, get you a little gadget too, or go to the theater, go get some ice cream, take one day off, whatever. Sometimes you have to reward yourself. So now I will open it for you. Ta-da! So this is my little motivation gadget. This is a small clock, as you can see, and it shows the time, it shows the weather. And the reason I got this is that it shows your social media subscribers. So you can watch your YouTube channel growing. And I thought it would be very motivating if I could see my first subscriber on this. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is when I set it up somewhere around here, I'm also improving my background for my vlogs now. I'm very pumped, I'm very excited to see my first subscriber on this panel, and I think it's even more exciting to see your first subscriber than number 100, number 1000. That would be okay too, of course, but the first one is the most important one, if it's not your friend, family, or yourself. I'm gonna set this up and see you in a couple of minutes.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
Welcome back, everybody. As you can see, I've set up my YouTube subscriber counter over here. And now we only have to wait until the first one subscribe to my channel. So all we have to do now is waiting. Oh, no, that was just my channel name. Wow. Please subscribe now. Please subscribe now. Is there anybody out there who likes my video? Could somebody please subscribe to my channel now? We just want that to be a 1. Waiting. Waiting. Ba-da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-dum. Is there anybody out there? Could please somebody subscribe to my channel now. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. I've been waiting for my first subscriber. I've been waiting for you. Now I've been waiting for my first subscriber. I've been waiting for you.
I've been waiting for my first subscriber. I've been waiting for my first subscriber.
I've been waiting for my first subscriber. I've been waiting for you. Oh no, that was just my phone. That's not really motivating, is it? Be careful choosing your reward. I should have bought a new guitar. Okay guys, I guess I have to be more patient on that. So I'm gonna update you in the next videos on my subscriber panel, okay? If you like this video, give your thumb up, and if you would like to subscribe to this channel so I get my first subscriber, and if you have any questions, write them down in the comment box and I will answer them in my next videos. Peace!